Welcome to the King Van. You will find this to be one of the most useful sales tools available to you. This is a great demonstration to get your builders and engineers in here and introduce them to the world's quality electric heaters. The first set of heaters we'd like to talk to you about is our small compact heaters. These units that you'll see here, these are all for 2,000 watts and less. The first one we start with is our W series here. This is a very price point sensitive unit. It utilizes an open coil styled element here, buried inside the case here with a fan blade. Again, very price point driven. You'll find a lot of this in your multifamily rental type uses here. You can put in a built-in thermostat or use a wall stat with this unit. The next step up here is our WHF series. These both utilize the same can as a part number of UIC, Universal Interior Cans. So for your inventory purposes, it makes it nice to carry one can with two different interiors fitting in the same can. The WHF here, we still utilize the open coil element here, but now we use a premium squirrel cage type blower. This is usually associated with lower noise levels and better longevity out of the unit. The other small in-wall fan heaters are Pic-a-watt here. These units utilize a sealed type element here with field selecting the wattages. The nice thing with this unit, you only have to identify the voltage with your end user. They can go out into the field and select their wattage. This type of element here is a sealed element. You're going to get a longer life out of it, and it's a much safer design. So our standard Pic-a-watt here will have 7 wattages in a 240 volt, 6 wattages in a 120 volt. Our Decade series here, this is our Pic-a-watt Decade. What we did to improve on this unit is go away from your traditional C-frame motor to a unit bearing motor. Much longer life, longer warranty on the unit itself, 10 years. Very, very quiet quality heater here. This is our DAW, or dial-a-watt. If you're in the marine areas, if you're looking for something stainless steel that won't corrode or break down on you, we can do the complete unit in stainless steel. And then you can select the wattage from the outside. This is where we come up with the name dial-a-watt. So it's nice that if you're on your own generator power and you don't have a lot of power, you can lower your load, or if you pull in and plug into full power, you can crank up your load and get more heat out of the heater itself. All of our units here utilize the latest safety protection called Smart Limit Protection. It's a manual type limit switch, but the nice thing is the consumer does not have to try and stick their hand inside the heater to push a button. This unit will all be reset via the thermostat or the circuit breaker in the panel. For our larger units, we do an open coil style here, again, economy style element, or we utilize our large Pic-a-watt here with the sealed elements here. These will both do about the same amount of wattages. Out of there, you can go to roughly 4,500 watts. Again, this would be a price point driven product here, and with large Pic-a-watt here, you'll have 8 wattages to pick from this unit. This is our LPWA. Whenever you hear the word architectural, they're usually referring to thickness or integrity. This is all extruded aluminum grill here. This is a very high impact resistant type grill. You'll find this commonly in lobby areas, stairwells, public restrooms, things of that nature where the standard steel type grill is getting damaged. We can utilize tamper-proof screws and tamper-proof controls. Very, very strong industrial commercial styled unit here. The unit you see below us here is our Slimline. And this is the interior to it here. The Slimline is another Pic-a-watt member of the family. This was designed specifically for retrofitting baseboards or any surface type applications. Traditionally, a lot of baseboards are fed through the floor, so there's a KO in the bottom of the can, so if the wire is coming through the flooring, you can bring it right into the bottom of the can, and it's zero clearance, meaning that you can take it right down to the carpet. Again, a Pic-a-watt element inside here, 7 wattages to pick from. This one heater alone will replace any size baseboard that you have out in the field. Another member of the Pic-a-watt family is our KVP Pic-a-watt unit heater. This is designed for a shop or a garage. Easily 2-car, 3-car garage will be heated comfortably with this unit here. This has 2 Pic-a-watt elements inside here, and there's 6 wattages to pick from, anywhere from 950 all the way up to 5,700 watts. 5,700 watts is the maximum that you can put on a 30 amp circuit. That's why we peak it out at 5,700 watts. So all you need is a 2-pole 30 amp breaker and 10-2 to the unit, and you're off and running. The unit comes packaged with a built-in capillary tube thermostat and a 3-position switch over here. It has heat for in the winter time, fan for in the summertime, and then you disconnect positive off, meaning that no matter how cold it gets, the unit will not come on whatsoever. It comes with a bracket installed in the package also, so you can mount it from a wall, a ceiling, or sit it on the floor. Excellent little shopper garage heater for you.